Hey guys, welcome back to Global Baba. This is Jatin and today we have brought something interesting for you guys. We are unboxing a gadget today. It's really a very unique gadget. It's used in video making and stabilizing of videos. So you all know my friend Sarab. He's getting the gadget for us. He's on his way. He'll just be approaching in a while and we'll unboxing a special product for you guys. So guys, we are all settled to unbox the product for you guys. This is the product we were talking about. This is a Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal, and I'm not so good at unboxing types, so Sarab will be doing the honors for you guys. So I'll hand it over to Sarab. So continue with the product.
Hi guys, today we have a gadget for you which is Osmo Mobile 2. This is not yet launched in India. We have imported it from Australia and today we will be unboxing it. And this provides stabilizations for video recording, so that if you are on the move, if you are on the action, and you don't have the videos getting blurred, which we are facing in our previous videos. So guys, let's start with the unboxing. This is our very unique unboxing tool, so don't get scared, it's just for unboxing. So here we go. So guys, let's open this. So first of all, what we see is the user manuals and the documents which we have along with it. So this is the warranty card, the contact details and the user manuals. And here comes the product. So it's very good to see that it comes in a hard case. So here is a hard casing. It's a very good packaging, and there are pros and cons. We cannot use this in our day-to-day use, but for the storage purpose it's very good and very safe. But for carrying it, you have to buy a new case for it. So here is the product. We have the logo over here, and this is the gimbal device. This is the Osmo Mobile 2 which we have. Here is the phone mount, and here you can see a few buttons over here. This is the joystick and the button for the clicking of the images, record button. Here is the indicator for the batteries. This is the power button, and here we have the zoom. So at the back we also have a USB port over here. So it is a very functional and very practical feature which they have provided. You can use this as a power bank to your device and for your mobile phone. This is the power button to turn it on, and at the bottom we have also a tripod mount so that you can easily mount with any of the tripod stands. So this is the power button. We are going to turn it on now. Let's see. You have to press and hold for a few seconds and the 3 lights will trigger, and this green light means that it's working now. So here we have the zoom in and zoom out button. This is the adjustment joystick. We can move it up, down, right, left, and this is the record option. So for the first use we need to install the DJI Go application, and I will be doing the setup part now and I will get back to you. So guys, we are done with the initial setup, and this is the iPhone 10 mounted on this, and we need the DJI application to use this. So this is now good to use. So we have this control over here which we can use to adjust the mobile phone. You can see the screen is rotating, and as per the controls I'm giving, it can even rotate up and down.
So guys, this is our 3-axis gimbal, the stabilizing device that we are using right now. So the videos that are coming up with this device will be more stable and will be very much interesting. So we'll just show you some of the shots we are taking through the gimbal. So hey guys, I'm back. Sarab was doing the unboxing part and I was behind the camera shooting the video. So now we are done with the setup and we are now right outdoors and shooting with the beautiful device. This is the gimbal Osmo 2. You just saw the unboxing of the device right now. So my phone is mounted on the gimbal right now and I am moving I'm just walking around and you can see the stabilized video.
So guys, we are now using the gimbal for the first time, and now you can see that I am walking through a street, and the visualization and the stability part is very smooth and very crisp. And now let's put it to the next level. I will be running now. Let's see how it behaves now. So you can see I'm running and the video is fully stable. So this makes the gimbal a unique and a very useful tool for the YouTube video recording. So this was the short unboxing of first Osmo Mobile 2 in India. If you have any questions, please type in the comments below.
And we'll be bringing out more of the interesting stuff like this. So अब तो gimbal भी आ गया है, बहुत अच्छे शॉट्स आने वाले हैं, बहुत अच्छी वीडियोस आने वाली हैं. बाइक्स के शॉट्स अब gimbal से जो आएंगे, that they will be really awesome. So guys, do subscribe to the channel, do hit the like button और bell notification icon होगा नीचे एक ऐसे घंटा बना होगा, उसको उस बटन को भी क्लिक कर दीजिए, so that you can just get all our notifications whenever we upload the video. So that was all for today, guys. Both the global babas today in one frame. Signing off. Take care. Goodbye.